Hello friends, you're on Sofia Delgur's channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now. In one of the previous videos, I showed the recipe for flexible gum paste for making sugar flowers. But before we start sculpting a rose from this sugar paste, I invite you to consider 3 ways to make a base for sugar roses. The first method. For a large rose, I take wire number 18. Using needle nose pliers, I make a hook on the wire. Then I knead the sugar paste until it's elastic. I make a small ball and create a drop shape. I moisten the wire with glue and insert it into the center of the drop. Then I roll the drop in my palms to ensure the fondant sticks well to the wire. I dry the base for the sugar rose for 1 to 2 days. If it's very humid in your room, it may take 3 to 7 days. Method number 2. You will need matches or a lighter. I knead the fondant and make a small ball and shape it into a drop. I heat the wire until it's red hot and quickly insert it into the fondant. There should be smoke. This is a very reliable method and I really like it. Method number 3. I use when I need large but light sugar flowers to decorate a cake. I usually use foam balls with a diameter for 3 and 4 centimeters and a glue gun. I apply melted plastic glue to the wire and insert it into the center of the ball. There's no need to wait for it to dry. You can immediately start sculpting the sugar rose. Thank you for watching my video. Check the pinned comment where I've left links for you to the most interesting tutorials on making sugar flowers for cake decoration.